Power Wheels Body Redesign Part 4. I am modifying the steering wheel with a turbo button. So first I am removing the steering wheel. So now I am taking the steering wheel apart. Alright, I am deleting the buttons that made noise. There's no reason for me to have it, so I will be deleting it. This looks like a good spot for the button. This location just feels right. I'm sanding the front and back side of the steering wheel for the epoxy. I found a piece of plastic and cut it to size for the backing. This will also need sanding. JB Weld plastic bonder works great for gluing and filling any kind of plastic. Mix and spread it. Oh yeah. This clamp will hold it tight. This stuff sands very well if you wait about 24 hours. Just putting a light coat of filler. This is what energy drinks do to you. Once I've got this completely sanded down, I like to use wax and grease remover right before I use this adhesion promoter, which is great to use over plastics. This hard rubberized coating will give me a good black texture. So I've noticed that the motor has a lot of unused space, so I'm going to create a lid on the bottom side and top side to store my fuses and my relays, because I have a lot of wiring to do. I cut up a license plate holder so I can have it to store the relays on the panel. I routed the wires through the backside, right where the old batteries used to be, so I'm going to be using that as a connection point, so if I ever have to disconnect the steering wheel, I can. This is the top side of the motor where I will be storing my fuses. I am cutting out a hole big enough for my lid. This is an electrical lid that I just happen to have laying around. I am using this clamp to hold down the pedal for testing purposes. This car has a slow and fast mode. The fast mode is triggered by the button. These wires I've extended to the back and wired them up to relays. These 5-pin relays are triggered when you push the button to go either slow or fast. So this is where I'm storing my fuses. I left 3 more fuses for future electrical accessories. So this is slow mode. And this is fast mode. Wiring up these relays was complicated. If you're interested, I can work on making a video on just the wiring. Like, share, subscribe. I have more videos to come. Thank you.